Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Open Galaxy themes from the Galaxy Store or the themes shortcut on your home screen. Sign in with your Samsung account to access free and paid themes and previews. Allow the app permissions for storage and personalization so downloads can complete successfully. Use the search box to find keywords like dark, minimalist, or One UI 5 compatible themes. Tap a theme preview to inspect icons, wallpapers, and AOD samples before you download or purchase the theme. Tap Customize inside a downloaded theme to change wallpaper, icons, and the color palette. Adjust fonts, accent colors, and icons independently to match your preferred visual style. Preview always on display, lock screen, and home screen consistently before applying to ensure uniform appearance. Use the preview pane to check contrast and legibility under both dark and light modes. Save your changes as a new theme draft so you can export or re-edit later without losing work. Apply a theme to make it active system-wide, or apply only individual theme elements selectively. To share work, export your custom theme to Samsung Cloud or save the package for file transfer. If the app fails to apply changes, clear the Galaxy theme's cache and storage from settings and retry. Ensure your device runs One UI 5 or later for the newest theme features and compatibility. Reboot the device after updates to finalize system resource changes and resolve display glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.